This mango chicken spinach wrap is simple and delicious and perfect for summer. It was inspired by a trip that we took to Hawaii a few years ago. I'm excited to show you this recipe. Welcome to Food Crazed. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. You'll need 2 or 3 chicken breasts for this recipe. Lightly season the chicken breasts with some salt and pepper. And I thought I'd mention you could also just use a pre-cooked roasted chicken from the deli for this recipe, but I'm showing you how to bake some chicken today. And then add a dash of paprika over the top. Bake the chicken for about 25 to 35 minutes. You'll know the chicken is done when the internal temperature has reached 165 degrees, or if you've cut it open with a knife, you can check and see that the meat on the inside is no longer pink. It is cooked all the way through. I'm going to go slice up this chicken and get it ready for our wraps. We have 3 to 4 cups of chopped chicken that are ready for our wraps. We're going to gather our additional ingredients. We need about 6 cups of fresh spinach. We also need 2 ripe mangoes for this recipe. I'm going to peel and dice these up and get them ready to go. And finally, we need 3 ripe avocados. I'm going to prepare these avocados into nice slices to go inside of our wraps. And now that we've collected all of our ingredients together, it's time for us to start building our wraps. The amount of ingredients here will make 8 full-size wraps. We're going to start with a spinach tortilla. We're going to add the fresh spinach. Then we're going to add our cooked chicken on top. And then to this, we are going to add our diced mangoes. This is already looking so delicious. I'm excited. Now we're going to add the avocado. And I like to add a little bit, a dash of like some salt and pepper over the top. That's optional though, you don't have to add it if you don't want to. I've got some toothpicks here ready to go. We're gonna fold these wraps up like a burrito style. Now just secure the top and the bottom with toothpicks. I'm going to cut this in half so that you can actually see what's going on inside the wrap. It just makes it look beautiful for presentation. These mango chicken spinach wraps are so delicious and fresh tasting. They don't even need sauce on the inside because the mangoes are juicy and the avocado adds creaminess. When you're eating it, it's the perfect flavor combination together. I'll put a link to the full recipe down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another yummy recipe. Thanks again for watching.